I've got Tyler Perkins here from Bernie, Missouri. Going to talk a little bit about rebounders, and he does a lot of attachments for planters and things. And you're with Perkins Sales and you sell a lot of rebounders and stuff.
A lot of rebounders.
And can you give us some reasons why?
Well, the rebounder, we really like it in our cotton country because we have a lot of people that are on RTK and they're coming back on the old cotton stock, no-till, and you have a lot of flippage, and you see more flippage with some of the other brands of seed firmers. We've got that spoon type on the Keaton seed, or on the Schaffert, rebounder, and it directs that seed back into their seed trench, whereas the Keaton, a lot of times they'll slip around it. We see that a lot, and also there's more of a film of dirt that the seed firmer is using and just kind of pressing a little bit along the top of that, so we don't see it scatter a seed because it's in less direct contact with the seed, with a shallower setting. First of all, in cotton country, we really like the zipper a little better than what we do on the Mohawk. The Mohawk's better in the corn country. It'll push down on the ground, but in that shallow plant, we plant so shallow in the cotton that we like the zipper better. And also when we're doing the G2s, we like going in with the inject kit, and we'll put an orifice in the back of this. We usually oversize that orifice, and then we'll use an orifice on up line, an inline orifice.
The right size.
The correct size for the fluid that we're flowing. We'll just put an oversized back here to make it inject, to shoot a straight stream down instead of just letting it flow out. That way it'll shoot right in our stream, the notch that we're cutting with the G2. And when we're doing that in cotton, we use a lot of 32% tube per tube because, of course, it's cheaper, 318-18, and we're able to use a higher pH product instead of the low pH stuff or neutral pHs that have to go right in the furrow. And cotton's real bad about the germ. Will be killed real easy on harsher fertilizers. And we'll throw an insecticide with that, and that also ups our chances in colder weather of killing the germ in the cotton. So that really works well with us. And we still have a lot of guys that'll run the rebounders with the Y knot on there, and we'll even have a Y up above so you can flip back and forth from one product to the other if you've got issues there.
Okay. The reason why you use the larger orifice down here so it doesn't splash on the wheels and stuff.
We found that using an oversized orifice down here and not use it for actually our amount that we're putting out is that it'll just make a straight stream shoot straight down the road. With this bent tube right here, it's shooting right down into the slit that we've made, and then we'll orifice on up line with a T-jet type orifice, and we put a check valve system on up line, an inline check. Just pop that apart. It's usually up there on the parallel link, so it's easy to get to. The guys don't have to crawl around, and then just use go up 2-3 sizes over what we really need down here, just to bring that stream down to a smaller size.
Come over and let's talk about the zippers a little bit.
Yeah, the zippers.
We've got those here.
Right, the zippers, we really like those in our country. They seem to cheer up the side of those beds real well. It's very economical for somebody to go with. As far as in shallow planted or in corn, and we've got guys that can roll right into conventional. It doesn't have to be just a no-till situation. They'll work in all those areas. They don't have to jump back and forth from one wheel to the other. And you do not have to run a chain behind these like a lot of the other product lines that we've got, that we sell. And like I say, we handle all the major brands, but it seems like this one right here can go a lot of different places, and it's a lot more carefree. It's not much of an issue there on where it's going to. It does go ahead and do the job, breaks that sidewall compaction, and you are getting a firming action. It's almost like taking your fingers and going right down to the top of that row and pushing in, but they're still segmented, so when that dries, it's still able to pop and loosen itself up from out of the ground.
Okay. Thank you, Tyler.